Namaskar, myself Sanjay Bharadwaj, Assistant Professor Jagannath Institute of Education, JIMS, Jamtech, Greater Noida. My subject is Understanding Discipline and Subjects, and topic is Mathematical Thinking. What is mathematics? Actually, before we start the topic, we have to understand the meaning and concept of mathematics. Etymologically, the term mathematics is derived from two Greek words, Menthenin, which means learning, and technique means an art or technique. Therefore, we can say that mathematics means the art of learning related to discipline or faculties. There are few definitions of mathematics. According to Gauss, mathematics is the queen of all the sciences and arithmetic is the queen of all the mathematics. According to Oxford Dictionary, mathematics is the science of measurement, quantity, and magnitude. What is mathematical thinking? Now, this is our topic. Mathematical thinking is a reflective, ongoing process that includes flexibility of ideas and meaningful mathematical discussion. Mathematical thinking helps students to solve the problems based on his life experiences and previous information. Mathematical thinking broadens the perspective to look at problem from different angles. Using this method to solve the problems enhances the ability of the students to deal with real life problems. K. Stacy identified four fundamental steps for mathematical thinking. Specializing means trying special cases, looking at example. Generalizing, looking for pattern and relationship. Conjecturing, predicting relationship and results. Convincing, finding and communicating reasons why this is true. There are five processes involved in the mathematical thinking. The number one is problem solving, reasoning and proofing, communication, connection, and representation. Now we will discuss all the points one by one in detail. Number one is problem solving. What happens in this problem solving? Students enjoy and use mathematics when the concepts they learn make sense to them. Investigating problems builds students' understanding of concepts. It also allows students to apply their mathematics skills in everyday situations. In mathematics classroom, students tackle math problems that are appropriately challenging. Explore many different approaches to solve the problems. Reasoning and proofing. This is the second point. Students need to be able to explain the reasoning behind a solution or choice of strategy. They need to be able to answer the question, how do you know? In mathematics classroom, students make predictions, test hypotheses, explain their thinking. Third is the communication. Communicating one's thinking and reasoning is an essential part of math. Through communicating, students share and develop their understanding. Over time, students learn to use this language precisely and effectively. In mathematics classroom, students participate in many conversations with the teacher and with other students, in which they ask questions, share and clarify ideas, compare strategies, draw conclusions, and explain their reasoning. Everyone's thinking is valued and considered. Communicate their math thinking orally and in writing. And the fourth is connection. Students learn best when they can connect new concepts with what they already know and connect mathematical ideas to real world situations. In mathematics classroom, students make connections between new knowledge and skills and prior learning. They make connections between math and other subjects. Fifth is representation. Maths concepts and procedures can be represented in many different ways. Using a variety of ways to represent a concept or procedure leads to deeper understanding. Math manipulative physical objects students can manipulate are particularly valuable tools to allow students to represent their thinking. They allow students to explore abstract concepts in a hands-on, concrete way. A student's concrete representations can also give the teacher useful insight into the student's thinking. These are few examples related to the mathematical thinking. Number one, the first example is arrangement of numbers on the number line. Number two, how to find common multiples. Sum of two even numbers is an even number. Angle sum property in the triangle. Area of rectangle. Area of square. These are the few examples in which a student uses his mathematical thinking to solve the problems related to these topics and different topics. There are so many other topics which in the mathematics in which students uses his mathematical thinking or apply the mathematical thinking. Thank you very much.